Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We got a new week ahead of us now. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Here we go. And of course, you guys could get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. And in case there is any discount codes, it will be down in the middle. And check them out. This is coming from Destek. Really cool stuff. And see what other goodies they have to offer. So this is definitely a useful tool now these days. And a hot item. Be a nice little stocking stuffer for the holidays. A birthday present. Here we go. Destek. True wireless charging. Bada boom. Right for your air vents. This is nice for all you vloggers out there, your Lyft drivers, truck drivers, Uber drivers, DoorDash now, and so many other ones. Oh, here it is. They can see you. Get that. Really nice. Nice packaging, though. So we got wireless charger, gravity linkage, charging protection, multi-size phone. So iPhones are welcome. Charging, there's all that good stuff. Alright, let's take a look inside. Here we go. And then I'll go in the car and hook it up and show you guys what it looks like. Sounds like a plan. Oh, yes, indeed. We got the manuals. We don't need that right now. Ooh, here she is. Alright. We got air. Get out of here. There we go. Destek. So we got this bad boy right here. Got the adjustable clamps. Wireless charge pad. Here's the back. It's for where this goes. Put it on your vent. Somehow. Let me see if I can do it right. Okay. You got a spinneroonie. And then put it through here. There you go. So it locks in. You heard it click. Twist, twist, twist. Oh. There we go. It's early. Oh, come on now. Hold on one sec. Alright, we got it nice and locked in right now. Hopefully it could fit. Got the 9 Plus right here. Let me clean the screen. Right there. Got it like this locked in. Got it nice in the carriage. And you got the charge port. Got the cigarette adapter. It's really cool. Holds in place. I'm going to go in the car, hook it up, show you where it goes on the vents, and here you go. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go in the car. We got this right here. We got them hooked up. The Destek wireless charge. Let me do this easy way. And I'm going to adjust my air vent to the usual right there. And you can put it anywhere in your car. Okay, there's a little level. Right here, you just push. Okay. Hold on one sec. Okay, dokie. I figured it out. We got this part. It's open. So you gotta find your spot on your air vent. Like so. And then you gotta lock it in where you want it. I'm going to adjust it for a second. Hold on. And then once you find your spot right up there, looks good. Just got to remove either or. Come on. Hold on. There it goes. So you lock. You hear it lock right there. So this would be a good one for Uber drivers and stuff. And then put your phone in, like so. Let's see if we get some light in here. Alright. And then it holds its place. Then you take these cigarette lighter right here that comes with, and you plug it in. It should light up blue. I see the blue. Let's see. Oops. One sec, let me clear my info off. Alright, let's try this. Okay, that part, there we go. We got it locked in. Still needs to be charged up a little bit. I do believe. Gotta make sure this is plugged in correctly.